Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We have got a half-baked show for you today. We're making avocado baked eggs. The following is a public service announcement. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day! So don't be like me and frequently go without, because by mid-morning I am just drained of energy, wishing I would have listened to my own advice. Well, today we're turning over a new leaf. We're making breakfast, so bring it! So what you're gonna need are avocados, salt and pepper, eggs, and a variety of toppings like sriracha and red pepper flakes, bacon, and feta, tomato, and chives. You'll also need a baking sheet and silicone baking mat, which is optional, a bowl, and a sharp knife. I love recipes that are easy and good, and this one tops the charts on both counts. Now, we're using an avocado today, and this thing is just packed full of nutrients. It's high in potassium, vitamin B, vitamin C, plus it is low in sugar and high in fiber, which really helps you to feel full. Now, they do get a bad rap because they're a little bit higher in fat, but it is good fat, monounsaturated fat that actually helps to lower bad cholesterol. So as long as you're eating this thing in moderation, you will be just fine. Now we are pairing that today with the incredible edible egg that is just packed with other great stuff like vitamin D and protein. So together, this makes a super healthy breakfast. Now, if you are watching your cholesterol, just leave the yolks out. You can have egg whites instead, but whichever way you crack it, you know it's gonna be good. We're gonna get started by cutting our avocado in half. Open that up and remove the pit. Place that on our baking sheet. Now, if I'm making this for one or two people, I might just use one avocado, but I want to show you a variety of different ways you can prepare it, so we are using two today. Now, you do want to make sure that your avocado is a little bit more on the firm side, so you don't want a real soft and squishy avocado. We'll cut the second one. Avocados come in a ton of different sizes. Today, we're using medium-large avocados because, frankly, they were on sale. They were like a quarter of the price of the extra-large ones, so I'm always a big fan of saving a little bit of money, but that does mean we're going to have to scrape out just a little bit of the avocado meat to give a little bit more room for the egg. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Scoop that avocado. Scoop. With the meat scooped out, we're just gonna rest these against the side of the pan. This will help to keep them level so that the egg doesn't spill out. Next, we're gonna add our eggs to our avocados. We're using large eggs so they still might overflow. So to prevent that, I'm going to separate the egg and the egg yolk. And then we will just start by adding the yolk to our avocado. We'll do that for all four of them. Now we'll go back and start filling it up with a little bit of the egg white, a little bit at a time. And if it does overflow, no big deal. That's why we've got the silicone baking mat. It'll just stick to that and peel right off. Next, we'll season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And normally I'll just pop them in the oven at this point. If I am adding vegetables like tomatoes, I'll just go ahead and put them in because I want them to cook into the egg. We can pop it into a 425-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now 15 will give you a nice runny yolk, 20 will make it nice and firm. So look at these things, gorgeous right out of the oven. We're gonna finish them off in a few different ways. We're gonna have one traditional one. We'll just keep that plain. This is the basic one, but it still tastes fantastic. This next one, we'll top it with some bacon. I just get this at the grocery store already pre-cooked. We'll just sprinkle that on top. A little bacon and eggs. Next, we're going to the Mediterranean. We'll start with a little bit of feta cheese and chives. And for this last one, we're bringing the heat. We got some red pepper flakes. We'll sprinkle right on top. Finish it off with some sriracha. So go get the recipe for these. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try these, please let us know about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and take our poll. Let us know which one of these you like best. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if we can make avocado baked eggs in a kitchen this tiny, you can make them in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Awesome. Today we've got a half-baked show for you today. If I could just one word. Kitchen Big Taste today. One word. It's the word today.